Can you guys hear my voice? Hello. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? Okay. So before we get started, I still want to emphasize the price of this training. Okay. So if you got two and one, you will award it $100. Okay, bonus. So what is 2A1A1? 2 is to get the PLC and HMI intermediate certificate, and 1 is about any other products like VBox or a VFD or server. And another one is about complete one industrial application, okay, project. So it is 2 and 1. So some of you guys didn't get the elementary maybe certificate. So after we our list intermediate training is over, we will still open examination of the elementary HMI entrance. So you can join final exam for the elementary HMI. Okay, so you still have a chance to get this HMI intermediate certificate. So let's get started of today's formal topic. Okay. So today we will have two parts because last time I didn't demonstrate about how to configure the configurable type MQTT. So after we finish this user-free protocol, I will demonstrate on the video to you. Okay, for an MQTT. So first part we talking this one, user-free protocol. So also I will divide 3 points. One is the what is user-free protocol, and the second one is library function introduced. The last one is practice on the sensor. Okay, this inclinometer. So what is user-free? So this user-free is actually the Lua user-defined. Okay, so different from the user-defined protocol. The user-free is to programming the user-defined protocol by Lua script. So it is same to the user-defined. So it aims to communicate those devices if it is no standard Modbus protocol or no on the protocol driver list. So because it is using a Lua function, so we need to understand which Lua function we need to use. Okay. So first we need to select the correct create protocol on the communication setting. Okay, so so we need to choose this one, user-free protocol. Sorry. Can you see now? So first, if we want to use the Lua user-free, we need to select this correct protocol. Okay, so just this one, user-free protocol. So if both serial port and Ethernet port is available. Then there is the format we need to write. So here prefix is the user protocol. Okay, and the following one is about the sub function name. So it is like this. If we want to call this function. So the first function is about the read the message. Okay. So it is user protocol .io read. So this is to achieve the read message. And also there is some parameter we need to set up. And the first one is the connection ID. Okay. This connection ID is referred to the number in the communication setting. So here I make a screenshot of it. So for example, on this screenshot, my connection ID is number 1. Okay, because I just create this user-free protocol on my communication setting. So it is number 1 on my example screenshot. And the second one is about the read length. So how long I want to read from the device. So it is to set on the second parameter. And then the third one is to set the timeout interval. So usually this one is need to be set over 1,000. Okay, if you set too short for this timeout, maybe you will happen the phenomenon not able to read the message. Okay, so this timeout we need to at least exceeds at least 1,000 millisecond. Okay, and you will have two returns. One is the actual length we read from the device, and then the second one is the actual message. Okay, returned from the device. So it is connection ID. And another one is about the clean the buffer. Okay, IO flush. So this one is when it is using on when we want to before we want to read the message, because sometimes it will have some message to reserve on the buffer. So if we don't clean this buffer area, it will we will get the wrong message. Okay. So this one is very necessary function. and another one is to write the message. So it is function name is IO write to the device. And the last one is about the write and read. So this means it is read the message to the device first, then read the message from the device. Okay, so this one is more like the procedure of we reading the Modbus when the HMI working as master station. Okay, so this one is the maybe we most common use on the user-free protocol. So it is same to the above function. It is require us to input the ID data and read length and timeout. Okay. So function it just have this is function. So only these four function: write and read, write, and flash and this read. Okay, only these four function. So function number is very few for this protocol. So here we practice only this inclinometer. Okay. So here is the before the application I did. Okay. This sensor is to reading the angle of the inclination. So sometimes if the goods is too heavy for the trunk, so we can use this sensor to allow the user the angle is about to falling if it is tilt too much. Okay, is it like using on the trunk, something like that? So here is the because it is for reading the angle. So here we need to read angle value from meter, right? So here is for the example for request the x direction angle. So here is the request a message, and the following is the a response message. So you can see here is some fixed format. So and here is the valid digits for this message. Okay, here is the angle value of x axis, and here is the angle for y axis. Okay, so just sorry. This part and this part is the value we want to read. Okay, and here is for the sign. So 10 is for minus minus angle. So because we want to achieve the read and the write, okay. So we need to use the this function, okay. Write the message to the meter first, then we will read in the angle. So use this one. So first, we need to request our message. So we need to write this message on the Lua script. Okay. So you can see this one, 6A, then 04, 05. So I write the same on the message, the Lua script. Then because the message original format is this hexadecimal, okay, so we need to convert it into the string format because the parameter of this function, it requires us to input this string format data. Okay. Sorry. It requires us to input string format. So we need to on here we need to convert it from this table, Lua table, into the string format. Okay. Then we call this write and read function. Okay, and then we can receive this response message from the sensor side. And because it is length it is 17. Okay. So here I put this read angle function into the pooling script. Okay. So you will pulling this function when I start the HMI. And also I enable this print debug window, so we can see the print result on the HMI screen. So you can see there is the returned data of the string type for the sensor return. Okay. Because there are some unreadable if you convert into the string, so it is just show on edge on this message. So if we message is continue update, which means this communication is set up successfully. Okay. And then similarly, so because the receive message is also this string type, right? So also we need to convert into the ASCII code. Then we can read in read it as hexadecimal or decimal format. Okay. So here is the return message I put into this string .byte. Okay. For example, here I set those convert data into the interval address. So here I set into the start address from the HDW0. Okay. So after we write these two functions, these two parts code into the HMI, then I compile into the download HMI again. So here is the message we see on the HMI screen. So you can see it is exactly what we want to see. It's same to the list part. Okay. Send to this response message of this hexadecimal ASCII type. Now, because we want to convert the result, right now the result is not the readable value for user. Okay, so right now we need to output it as the string format. So here is the we used the function we used to convert. Because the valid digits is from 6 to 8, 5 to 12. Okay. So here for an angle x direction, so we can see it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is value of the angle. So it is 6 to 7, 8. Okay. So for the x-axis angle, it is from 6 to 8, and the y-axis is from 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is from tenths and 12th byte. Okay. So that's why I here to use the loop, the for loop to convert our angle. Okay. So you can see here is the output result after we use this string format. And last, because we need to want it display as the 37 point and 22. Okay, like this one, four decimal point for this number. So here is to use the string dot find. Oh, sorry, this string dot find is for check the angle value is positive or negative. This part is for splice splice the string. Okay, as you can see, if the 110 is for negative, okay, so it is string dot find is same to this one. If six a byte is same to 110, then we splice with this minus sign. Okay. And here is the result of the angle reading. So it is a little bit complicated if you want to read. If we want to read this value, because it is not a standard protocol. So it still after we get. So normally if we get value, it is just a stop on this part. Okay, then we can display on the HMI. Because this sensor is need to convert. We need to read value. So it is still some convert function. Okay. So any question for no user friendly. Usually we just if we want to read a sensor, okay, so we just we go through with this one after we receive the message from of the device, then we return the value and write into the HDW0. Then the whole step, the whole procedure, okay, is over. Usually it's like this. So like our Modbus, okay, we convert. You use this one is for string to hex format. Okay, this one this one function. And this one function is for hexadecimal to the string. So this is the key function for the Lua user free. Okay, this is two most important function. Maybe I need to okay. So any question for this part? Okay, maybe you had right. Okay. So I want to demonstrate the configurable type MQTT. Okay, because last time I didn't demonstrate on this one. So about the configurable MQTT, this one is it is can help us to configure MQTT without programming any Lua script. So it is zero programming MQTT. Okay, so it is more user or we can say more user friendly for those if user if don't able not able to not familiar with the Lua script. Okay, so here I have video to show. And on this video, I still use this one. This one MQTT broker. Okay, this EMQX. Let me check. So first is to enable from this tab, and also the domain domain name it is broker.emqx. And here is for setting the statute address. which indicate which it is online or offline for the HMI MQTT connection. Okay. And the commander address is control address. Then it is over. Then here is to set up the topic name. Okay. So for example, my topic name is test topic 1. And here is for set up the sending mode. It is auto or trigger. So as you can see, if it is auto mode, we can send when it is value is changing, or it is interval cycling send. Okay. And here I use the trigger to send. It is off to on send, or on to off send. Or we want to send when we switch the status. Okay. So here I choose the last one. And set up the trigger address. And here is for address tab is for set up the message content for this topic. Okay, test topic. For example, here I input one value is for temperature, and setup is value come from address 1200. And here add another one. So now we configure the same address into the HMI screen. Okay. So this HTW0 is for connection status, and also here I configure the message content address. So as you can see, if I trigger this switch, it can send out this message to this topic text topic 1. Okay. Because this configurable MQTT, it can run on a simulator. So here in the video I demonstrate. So here is the demo I made. Okay. So there is some statute value for this statute address. So two is the online. Okay, one is mean disconnect. So if I click this two, so as you can see, it changed to the stop, which means we disconnect from the MQTT server. Okay, MQTT broker. So if I want to start a connection, I write one value. Okay, you can see it is my HMI is online again. So here is the commander address. So it is compared with the Lua script MQTT. So this configurable type is more convenient for the user. Okay. So any question for this part? What if I want to have to send on the structure wise without Lua possible? Structure wise. Sorry, what did you mean? You mean you mean this part? So if we config on here, it is wait a moment. So default it is on the second level for this message. Okay. So for example, right now how wait a moment. I can disable this one. Okay. Let's see how it change. So right now it is like this. Okay, so it is the first level for first level for this message structure. Then if I want to also inside we also have this option. We can take it. Okay. Also I take it for it. So you can see it is changed. They remove this bracket sign. Okay. You can see it is after we enable the remove option. Okay, this is the result. Also, if you want to enable the multi-level for the value, we can use this one option. Okay, JSON advanced. So for example, wait a moment. Okay, okay. Uh, Let me try this one whether it is okay. Okay, maybe this template is no accept this kind of. So as you can see, it is if you want to have another level inside your message structure, so it is to click this one, new component. So if you just want to create another value on same level, so it is to click this one. Okay. So also it is able to create an array. So it will be like something like this. Okay, so any other question for today's meeting? Okay, so let's move to the last lucky draw session. Okay, so today's luck for gift. Today's luck for gift is the Chinese note. Okay, so now is the please wait a moment.